salad first.
What are you going to do for the dinner today?
Well, we're going to have a salad.
Salad plus.
It's going to be, I'm preparing some salad vegetables to have with some tuna. So that's going to be it. So I'm just washing the vegetables. And we've got, this is kind of like a small cucumber. So I'm chopping this up. And I'm going to put this on the plate as we go along. This far will be good. Okay, so I'm now arranging the food artistically on the plate. Now that was the cucumber. Now I've got some peppers. And some tomato.
Pepper and tomato.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Give this a quick wash. Slice up the tomato. Chop out the bits you can't eat.
Chop out.
Chop out, yeah. This knife isn't very sharp, so I'm having to make a lot of cuts. Okay. Okay, that was the tomato, now the pepper.
Sweet pepper.
It's not that fresh.
What?
It's not that fresh, so I'm going to have to chop out this bit. So to do this, I'm going to cut there. I should be able to press out the green bit and throw it away. Okay, and I can remove the seeds with one go like this. This part started to get a bit overripe, so I'm chopping it out.
It's not good?
It's not bad, but it's not as fresh and tasty as the rest of it.
Okay, cool.
So I'm arranging this away from the tomato so that the different colours make it more attractive. Okay, that was the pepper. And now
We have corn inside the box.
we have some
inside.
corn,
Yeah.
and we have some tuna, and that then is going to be everything.
Yeah. Do you usually eat salad plates in your country?
Yes, because it's easy to prepare and it's very healthy.
It's very easy to prepare.
Yeah. This has taken about less than 10 minutes.
Sounds good.
Okay, so that was the sweet corn. Now, some tuna.
Is the salad plate an English food?
Well, many of these are kind of like Mediterranean vegetables. So
Mediterranean.
Mediterranean, yes. Okay, so that was the tuna. Now, this is the bit that will make it really tasty, is the oil.
What's that?
This is extra virgin olive oil because this is from the first pressing of the olives, and you can actually taste the olives.
Yeah, it will be very yummy.
This olive oil is very good for you. It's not like corn oil, and you can put this on food, and you know that's going to be good for you.
That's good.
And there we are. So
Beautiful.
I'm going to take these through.
Okay, let's go for it. This will be today's salad plate. I hope you will enjoy it.